Former Miss Universe Philippines Rabi Mateo and actor Derek Gonzalez had an on-screen romance when they worked together on an episode of GMA7's Wish Mo Laugh. They later became an off-screen couple in March 2022, but their relationship ended in June of the same year when they unfollowed each other on Instagram and Derek deleted his Instagram account except for one photo of his co-stars from the show Startup. Singer-songwriter J.K. Labajo called Maureen Reblaets a model turned beauty queen, is one on Valentine's Day in 2019, which sparked dating rumors. However, the two split amicably and on good terms in June 2022, without revealing the reason for their separation. Maureen shared on Instagram that it's okay for things to come to an end and that it's time for them to grow on their own. YouTuber Zineb Harik was in an on and off relationship with rappers Kustekli or Daryl Ruiz, with whom she had a child named Bia. In April 2022, Zineb announced the loss of her second child with him, who had cheated on her, leading to their breakup. She suffered a miscarriage and was alone during the funeral. After confirming the breakup, Daryl released a song called Kumpisal about confessing to God and asking for forgiveness. Barbie Imperial and Diego Loizaga ended their relationship in February 2022 after dating for over a year. While the reason for their split was not disclosed, it was first speculated when Diego traveled to the United States without Barbie. Barbie confirmed their breakup and mentioned that it was amicable. In June 2022, Diego gave an interview discussing his past relationship with Barbie and his link to another actress while still with her. Barbie later refuted his claims through Instagram stories. Kylie Berzosa and Jake Cuenca met on the set of Ang Panday and became friends while working on Los Bastardos. They confirmed their relationship in September 2019 and dated for 3 years until rumors of their breakup started in April 2022. Kylie broke down in tears on It's Showtime and Jake posted cryptic Instagram stories. Later, Jake confirmed their split and expressed happiness that they ended things as friends. In a later interview, Kylie revealed that she has no regrets or resentment toward their relationship. Chris Aquino, known as the Queen of All Media, surprised her fans by announcing her engagement to Mel Sarmiento in October 2021 after posting a birthday greeting to him in August. However, their romance was short-lived, and in January 2022, Chris revealed that they had broken up due to her deteriorating health caused by an incurable autoimmune condition. Mel's text messages to Chris suggested that he couldn't continue living in a bubble given her health situation. Chris later spoke to Lovett Solis and questioned if their relationship was ever really love or just grief, timing, and infatuation. Actress Anna Halandoni was detained and injured by her boyfriend, actor Kit Thompson. In March 2022, she posted a photo of her black eye on social media, warning people to be cautious even with loved ones. Anna later revealed that Kit threatened to kill her if she left him, and jealousy was the main reason for his abuse. In an interview with Boy Abunda, Anna said that Kit's mood changed when he drank. Despite noticing red flags, she stayed in the relationship because she loved him and wanted to help him understand his behavior. Janela Salvador and Marcus Peterson's rumoured breakup started circulating in June 2022 as fans noticed their lack of social media updates about each other. Janela denied the rumors, but in September, she revealed that she's now a single mom. Despite the split, the former couple remains amicable and even attended their son's baptism together in October. In April 2022, Moira De La Torre deleted her photos with Jason Hernandez from her social media profiles and removed Hernandez from her Facebook profile. A month later, Jason admitted to cheating on Moira in a controversial statement on Instagram. They subsequently broke up. In September, Moira released a song called Ako Na Lang, which tells the story of someone trying to save a damaged relationship. Carla Abellana and Tom Rodriguez, a Pinoy celebrity couple who got married in October 2021, ended their relationship after just 3 months. Rumors circulated about their split in January 2022, and Tom posted a cryptic video that suggested a breakup scene, causing concern among fans. In June 2022, Carla broke her silence about the separation, alleging she had experienced domestic abuse during her 7-year relationship with Tom. Tom, who is a US citizen, issued a statement the same month, admitting he had filed for divorce, had lost his money due to someone's deceit, and fell short as a partner. He, however, denied laying a hand on Carla. As of September 2022, a source revealed that Tom still cries when he thinks about Carla, while Carla admitted in a November interview that she still hurts and healing from the breakup would be a long process. Both parties are on a journey to move on from their heartbreak. Actor Elijah Canlas confirmed that he and girlfriend Miles Ocampo have broken up in his interview with ABS-CBN News entertainment reporter Daniel Krishnan. Elijah said that they broke up a couple of months ago. "We went through a rough patch recently mainly because we are going through our own stuff," he said. Despite the breakup, Elijah said that they are not mad at each other and they are okay. "We are okay. We are not mad at each other. I'm always gonna have love for her and support her with what she does, but right now we are taking our time figuring things out," he said. Elijah and Miles revealed that they were in a relationship in May 2022. A year after they started dating. Former University of the Philippines men's basketball player Richie Rivero, 25, took to Twitter on Friday, June 9, to hint that he has split from kapamilya actress Andrea Brillantes, 20, after a year of dating. "I own up to the mistake of not making my relationship status public because I felt there's no need to add up to what we're going through," the University Athletic Association of the Philippines, UAAP, alumnus tweeted. "Please respect our decision to keep it to ourselves so that we can preserve what's left of our friendship. I own up to the mistake of not making my relationship status public because I felt there's no need to add up to what we're going through. Please respect our decision to keep it to ourselves so that we can preserve what's left of our friendship. I hope let's stop creating your own." Kim Chia's sexy bikini photos from her much-deserved beach vacation at Balisit Island Club are seen stealing. Her boyfriend Sian Lim was not with her but family members. Because of this, netizens couldn't help but look for Sian, who they say has not been posted by Kim on his Instagram account for a long time. Netizens seem to be affected because it was July 30, 2023 when Kim last posted on IG and YouTube about her Hong Kong trip with Sian. The two were constantly teased on that trip. On July 16, Kim previously shared her sweet moments with Sian while taking a walk in Hong Kong. Sian then replied that, "Well, it's like the first week when I was dating you." But now the lovers are said to have no feelings on social media. Others noticed that Sian did not congratulate the successful run of Ringla, the digital series starring Kim and Paolo Abilino that ended on November 16. So many sent messages to Kim from netizens who wanted to lighten her heart. According to others, it is possible that the couple just lied because they had their own projects. The popular pairing of Kim and Paolo in Linlang was followed by a new project, the Pinoy adaptation of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Tian is partnered with Jenilyn Mercado in the upcoming Kapuso series Die. Ahal. Tipid. But on October 31, Kim was asked about her boyfriend and she replied that, "She and I are fine." Kim even described her and Sian as strong and reiterated that their relationship is fine. Kim also casually mentioned Sian when Vice and that is Kim in the Tawag ng Tanghalan segment of its showtime on November 2. Vice is Kim, ikaw, sino nagpapangiti sa'yo lately? Amy Perez said, "Meron ka bang gustong bigyan ng mensahe?" Kim Green waved at the camera and said, "Hi." Kim gestured at the same time and told Vice, "Bakit? Napaka-OA nito. Kami. Ako ang OA." Said Vice who smiled as if he and Kim had an inside joke. Kim just said again, "Napaka-OA nyo." Vice is, "Wow. Pulang-pula. Ang blush on napunta sa noo. Alalalalala." When asked again who makes her smile, Kim's only answer was, "Ako. Mga pamilya ko, mga kamag-anak ko." Another question Vice asked Kim was what she would consider missing without it. Kim answered, "Kulang kapag walang usap. In everything that you do, communication is the key." When Vice asked a follow-up question about whom in his life he misses when he doesn't talk, Kim said, "Kapatid ko, ate ko, papa ko, si she." Is it true that Katniel has broken up? It is said that the whispers about Katniel started with OG Diaz's report in a YouTube blog that he received unconfirmed news that Catherine and Daniel had broken up. What he heard was that Daniel was secretly meeting with Andrea Brillantes. The ardent fans of Katniel immediately reacted to this and criticized OG for spreading fake news. Katniel supporters even pretended that the news was not true because a few days after OG's blog came out, Catherine and Daniel were seen together and dancing at an event. But until now, both camps of Catherine and Daniel have not made a direct statement about the issue. Catherine and Andrea's unfollowing of each other on Instagram further added to the public's hunch that the relationship between the two is indeed going through something.